Hey friends, welcome back to Just a Little Homestead. It's March. We have a new box to open up from the Haas Gardening Club. And even though the sun is going down and it is cold, this is the view that I want in the background because it is so pretty. So we're going to open up our box outside. Let's get to it. Here's our box. Let's get this opened. Okay, let's go ahead and open up our box. This is March, Haas Gardening Club. See what we got. I just got this in today. So I'm gonna try to get this uploaded as fast as possible. They don't usually start sending these out until the 15th of the month, so we get this so late. I wish they would send it out on the 1st, as soon as they take the money. That would be awesome, but they don't. All right, let's take a look here. We have our little book. First thing I see sticking out the box are grow bags. We have 1, 2, 3. And these are, I'll put this down, root pouch grow bags, 15 gallons. Good size. So 3 15-gallon grow bags that we will be using this month. We also have, I'm going to put this down, Haas organic fertilizer, which is excellent because I just ran out of the other one that I got. So I need this. And then we have our seeds. Let's see what seeds we have. Then my sticker. Grow your way. Sorry, the wind is starting up right now. See that? It's cute. Put it in here so I don't lose it. The wind is trying to make my seeds fly away. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. First one is champion radish. Second one, Scarlet Nantes carrots. I didn't have any of these radishes. I do have Scarlet Nantes carrots. They're not from Haas, but now I do have a Haas variety. Pine size lettuce. I do have this. And I have this from Haas that I'm currently growing right now, actually. And Performer bunching onion. This looks familiar. I don't know if I have this one yet. I might. I know I have some sort of onion from Haas. I just don't remember which one it is, but I am growing one variety. I don't know if this is it or not. Now, I probably won't be using these grow bags for any of these because I don't think I'm going to do any more carrots because I have carrots right here mixed in with my onions. I'm not doing any more onions or radishes because I have radishes growing already, and the pint-sized lettuce. So I have most of this growing. Not everything is from Haas, but I have it growing. So I don't think I'm going to be doing any more of these. I am going to use the 15-gallon grow bags probably for, what do I have coming in? I have sweet potato slips coming in next month. So maybe I'll use it for that. This fertilizer I'm going to use for everything that I have here already growing. And I also have some strawberries coming in, the bare root strawberries from Haas also. I have that coming in the next couple days actually, so I have to get my green stalks ready for that. I don't think I'm putting that in a grow bag. I think I'm going to put that in my green stalks. So let's see here. Haas Gardening Club. I want to just skip to the back already and see what's next month, but I'm going to wait. Let's see what we have inside. March 2026. So it shows the Haas family here. I don't know if y'all can see that really good. On the other side, growing in root pouches. So it gives you information on how to use your grow bags. 1, 2, 3 pages of that. Butter glazed roasted radishes. So it gives you a recipe on what to do with the seeds you just got. Best crops for gardening, for container gardening. So also it gives you more information here about the seeds that you just got. What's in the box. So of course it's going to show you everything that you got. It shows that we have these 4 seed packs, the grow bags, the fertilizer, which is the same thing that the heavy harvesters got, but I think they got a couple more grow bags than we did. And then what everyone is waiting for, next month's theme, trellising plants. You see that? This is exciting because I do have a lot of trellises. I have one of these arch trellises that we made with a cattle panel right back there at my entrance. So I can't wait for what this is going to be because I'm going to be able to use this here. So this is exciting. I love getting this because I do want to see every month what the next month is going to be. So this is cool. So I can't wait for that. So this is everything that we have here. Let me take you around really quickly so you can see everything that's growing before we wrap up. So of course we have our onions and carrots. Here I do actually have the Scarlet Nantes carrots, and there's another variety that I cannot think of right now, but I have another variety in here as well. So I mixed the two. Here also, onions and carrots. And again, and these are all different varieties of onions. There's 3 different varieties, if y'all remember from previous videos. I can't believe everything is growing so big. And I did this. It's just amazing. Look at that. Look at all the growth back there. I was just standing out here staring at this morning, and everything is just so vibrant and just growing and looks beautiful. And I cannot believe that I planted this and it grew. It's just amazing. It's such an awesome feeling. I honestly never thought I was going to be the gardening type because I usually don't like to leave the house. I'm just a house person. I just like to stay inside and not really go anywhere. And now this is my favorite place to be. I just love being out here. My husband was always telling me I needed to get a hobby. I needed to go outside and do something. And I was like, nah, I'm fine. I'm just gonna stay inside. And now look at everything is, it just draws me out here every day. It's so therapeutic. Just being out here. I just love it and I can't believe it. Look at how big everything's getting. All of our potatoes, my lettuce, and look at this lettuce. I'm trying to turn y'all around slowly so I don't get y'all dizzy. Look at all this butter crunch lettuce. This is the stuff from the very first video that I did. And of course there's radishes in the middle and some snap peas. On the left is the sugar daddies, and then the sweet magnolia, I think, on the back, the purple snap peas. But just look at that. It's just so amazing. I still can't believe I did this. I'm just in awe right now. I just love this. I came the other day, was it yesterday or the day before? Right before it got really cold, and I put some fresh straw over everything to make sure that everything stayed warm with this cold that we got this weekend. It was so cold. This morning it was 37, 36 degrees, somewhere around there. Very cold. But all my babies were nice and warm. Hopefully because of the straw. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up now. Thank you for joining me today, watching the video, and taking the tour with me from my garden. Can't wait until next time. Have a wonderful rest of the day, everybody. Oh, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean the world to me. Thanks. Bye, everybody.